Hi, this is Nancy Rex, and it's day 11 of Oktoberfest. Woo! This is the Canary Melons that I'm going to juice today. I'm going to juice 2 for me and Andy. Look at the sweet, juicy flesh of the Canary Melon. This is my compost bowl, and I just fill it, and if it's not all the way full, I put it in the fridge till next time I juice. Keeps the fruit flies away. Yeah! I've got my dishwater ready, so I can wash all my parts really easily after I'm done. Please make sure between pitchers that you put something under there so it doesn't dribble over the counter. What you want to do is pour this in a pitcher so you can be ready to go again. So look at that delicious, delicious juice. Actually, I call it canary milk. Pour it in some glasses now. I just noticed this poor little dead Spidey on my counter. He must have died overnight on my counter. Rest in peace, little guy. And today we're going to be using our clear Cur jars. Using melon, and you don't get all the seeds out. This is what's going to happen. You're going to have to strain it. It's really not very easy to strain melon juice. It takes longer to get through the sieve. See, there's seeds. Those seeds will go into the juice, see? So make sure to get all your seeds out before you juice. How much pulp I got out of one melon. It's quite a significant amount. Yes, I recommend straining it.